How to check consecutive number in list. This is my homework. The problem is to find a way to check whether the items in a list are consecutive or not. The following is code I've written. If I input numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I will get true. If I input numbers like 2, 6, 3, 9, 7, 1, 4, then I'll get false. Here, I succeeded returning true or false values respectively. But there are two questions that make me upset, because if I use my code to solve the questions, I don't get the value that I want, it gives me an error. First question, is an empty list considered a consecutive list or not? Second, is a list that involves a single value considered a consecutive list or not? Would you like to help me?
By mathematical convention as discussed in the comments, it would be standard to consider both an empty list and a list with a single element as consecutive, should it not be specified in your homework more precisely. By the logic of vacuous truth, were a list to not have consecutive order, it would require enough elements, too, to break this condition of ordering. To handle this in your existing code, you could simply perform a check before your main check to ensure the base cases of an empty list and a list with one element return true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.